Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It is called Kee'S Operator. It is a throwback, guys. It is a full wall dance that moves counterclockwise. The instructor is perfect for beginners, something you can just call out to keep the class moving. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. And if you're interested in dancing along to the music to make sure you have the steps together, watch till the end. And here we go. So let's do this. Let's stand on this wall here. I'm going to turn my back to you. And it's going to start with moving back. It's what they call a pretty girl. You go out, cross behind, out, cross behind, out, cross behind, out, cross behind. And then the weight is on your left. So you're going to do that 4 times, starting with your left weight on the left side and starting on the right. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and right, out, cross behind, left, out, cross behind, right, out, cross behind, left, out, cross behind. And you're moving back, okay? The next step is we're going to shuffle up or cha-cha up and make a half turn to our right. And we're going to step left and do a half turn to the left. So it's right step, left, pivot half, then step on your left, left, step, right, pivot half. Again, let's do it on this wall right here. Okay, so stand over here so we dancing side by side. Step right, right, step left, pivot half, then step left, step right, pivot half. So the same thing you do on the right, you do on the left. 1, 2, 3, step left, pivot half, left, left, step right, pivot half. Okay? So that's a cha-cha with a half turn, and then a cha-cha on the left with a half turn. Okay, so let's put it together, doing the pretty girl, moving back, and then cha-cha up, making that half turn. Cha-cha left and making that half turn to your left. 5, 6, 7, and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha up. Right, step, left, pivot half, left, step, right, pivot half. Okay? Now you're going to roll to the right 2 times. Right, left, and then roll to the left 2 halves. Left, right. So roll to the right twice, roll to the left twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're just doing a body roll. Right, left, and left, right. Okay? So let's put that together. So we do the pretty girl moving back and the cha-cha up with the half turn, cha-cha left with the half turn back, coming back at this wall, and then the body roll. And each one of them is 8 counts. So the last step, we have 8 more counts to get to our next wall. It's a 4 wall dance that moves counterclockwise. So let's count. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, cha-cha. 1 and 2, pivot. 3, 4, left. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Body roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, left. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? From here, we're going to incorporate our turn. So we're going to do 12, 3, and do a quarter turn to our right. Right, left, right. So what you're doing is you're doing the footwork front, side, to make a quarter turn to your right. The next wall to your right. Right, left, right. And this is how we're going to get to our next wall. Then we're going to do a point, front, side, and then turn back, half turn. Left, right, left. So whenever you make that first turn, you make a quarter right to your right, front, side, quarter right, right, left, right, and then the left, front, side, and it's always the wall behind you. Left, right, left, and end the dance. You at your next wall. We started here. Our next wall is to our left, so we go counterclockwise. So let's start at this wall here so we can do it a couple of times without you looking back at the camera. All right? So here we go. We're going to start with our pretty girl, right? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're moving back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha half. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Step left. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Body roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Quarter right. 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the left. 5, 6, half, 7, and 8. Pretty girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha half. 1 and 2 to the right. 3, 4 left. 5 and 6 to the left. 5, 7, 8. Half. That's a half turn. Body roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, and left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Point tap. Quarter right. Point tap. Half turn. Left, right, left. Okay? Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha. 1 and 2, half. 3, 4 left. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Body roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, quarter. 3 and 4, 5, 6, half, 7, and 8. Okay? So here's the thing. So I got this instructional steps from the choreographer, okay? So she does a body roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you might see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You might see singles. That's okay. It's the same count, okay? But the choreographer does a body roll here, body roll here. But if you go side to side, body roll, right, left, it's still the same count, okay? So I just gave you the choreographer version. But if you do single, it's still the same count. That is Kee'S operator. That's a throwback. So I like these little line dances because you can just pick it up on the floor. Instructors, you can easily just call it out to your class and they'll pick it up. Now, if I teach this in my class, I won't teach it. I'll just play the music and have them to pick it up. Because sometimes they'll attend an event, they don't know all the line. They're not, more than likely, they're not going to know every line dance, but they might see something that they can pick up on the floor. So this is a way of them practicing picking up choreography on the floor. So sometimes I'll just go into class, I'll put the music on, and I'll just allow them to figure it out themselves. That just takes practice, okay? So that is Kee'S operator. Make sure you like, leave me a comment. I love y'all guys' comment. If you haven't done so, please subscribe. My name is Linda Sims, and definitely share this video. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.